What is contract rescission as a legal remedy? Imagine signing a contract and then realizing it was based on false information or unfair pressure. What options do you have to undo that agreement? That's where contract rescission comes into play. It's a legal way to cancel a contract and return everyone to the way things were before they signed it. Think of it as hitting a reset button on the deal. Rescission is different from simply ending a contract. When you end a contract, some parts might stay in effect. But rescission wipes the slate clean, making it as if the contract never existed. It's like erasing a mistake completely. This remedy is used when a contract was made under unfair or invalid circumstances. There are a few ways rescission can happen. One is unilateral rescission, where one party cancels the contract because the other party did something wrong. For example, if a contractor leaves a project halfway through, the client can rescind the contract on their own. Then there's mutual rescission, where both sides agree to cancel the agreement. This is often the simplest way to undo a contract. Sometimes a court orders rescission. This happens when fairness demands it. Courts may step in if the contract was based on fraud, misrepresentation, or if someone was forced or tricked into signing. For example, if someone lied about the quality of a product or used threats to get someone to agree, the court might cancel the contract. Common reasons for rescission include misrepresentation, which is when someone makes a false statement that influences the contract. Fraud is a more serious form of misrepresentation, involving intentional deception. Duress or undue influence means one party was forced or unfairly pressured into signing. Mistakes about important facts or lack of legal capacity, like minors or mentally incapacitated persons, can also be grounds for rescission. In business, rescission helps protect parties from unfair deals. If a company was tricked into a contract with false information, rescission allows them to recover payments and avoid fulfilling obligations. To do this, the person seeking rescission must usually act quickly and honestly. They need to return any property or money exchanged, so the situation is as close to the original as possible. Because rescission is an equitable remedy, courts want to see fairness in how it's used. If someone waits too long or acts unfairly, they might lose the chance for rescission. Overall, it's a way to undo a flawed contract and restore balance when the original agreement was made under unfair or invalid conditions.